this kind of things happening, just that you don't know about it. Okay? You know, one of the development in Jurong, they just say one of the people want to do Enbloc. Then she throw some flyers around that hey, we want to try for Enbloc. Immediately, all the sellers withdraw selling land, and then the asking price immediately shot up a few percent. They almost got 0.1 or 0.2 more land. Just because they start to withdraw and then people want to bid and then bid higher. Just like that only. If you are selling, you can sell more. Okay? If you are buying, you can also buy more. Okay? You also can buy more, don't worry. Just give them extra 200,000. Very easy one, no problem. Okay? Before they change their mind, better quickly buy, I tell you. Okay, this is just like a simple one now. Let's say for example 1,000 per square feet the plot ratio on land, right? Then you factor in, of course prime area will be more like Orchard will be 350 to 500 because they can price at a premium because of unique factor. So they will do a lot of free use right? Wow, super lobby super car lift you know what? Then they buy the very big statue, put in the front of the door, that kind of thing I mean, you know, superlatives, the best the tallest the most luxurious golden tap whatever you can think of that they can make it sound so luxurious, they can price higher. Wow, it's going at 4,200 PSF, you know, that kind of thing. Okay. Professional fees like consulting architectural blah blah blah. So you have to add in 10% losses for corridors and lift lobby. Lift lobby they didn't sell to you, right? So they will mark it up typically. Developer will mark up. Then sort of you minus off some 3 to 6% gain because aircon ledgers they also sell you, right? So it's sort of like offset a little bit. Then of course they also have, if the building is green, they also get 1 or 2% or 3% GFA bonus which they can sell to you, right? So those things are their margin, so to speak. Right, marketing cost maybe 3 to 5%. Right, so typically $1,000 per square feet price on land will have a break even of around 1,005 PSF. And that's average across the whole unit, of course big and small. So then the estimated launch price would be in this kind of range. Of course, if the market is good, there will be more. Okay? I mean, do you agree? Anyone do agree can hamta me? Okay? So this is the estimated figures. Okay? Any question? I see, so you are very puzzled. Okay, Agree? Don't agree? Agree. Okay. What are the comparables for replacement? High growth, ranging around here per square feet, 4 listings, only 4 people selling 4 units You want to grab give them 1,006, 1,007, sure can close. Quicker, Astor Green. The data is kindly provided by my friend who is Mani Subramaniam. He's a property agent, quite a professional one. Okay, Astor Green, 1,047 to 1,207, $30, 2 listing only. At least this point in time, maybe next month or 20, I don't know. Okay. Lower Parkview, between this price to this price, some of this could be bigger units. This one should be a smaller unit, 16 listing. Okay, not bad, can buy. Heritage View, price range and listings. Rochester, not bad, got a lot of listing. I think Rochester don't know what happened, like cannot rent out or don't know what happened. Seriously, I don't know what happened. Rochester seems a nice place, but I don't know why there's so many listings. Okay, so these are the comparables within your estate. I don't know, maybe you have Clementi or other places, by all means add it in. But these are the so-called comparables to your estate. So if you all en bloc, how many units do you have?
254.
Huh?
254.
254 units. 254 units. Quickly go and buy. Because I tell you you en bloc 254, some people will have no house to stay. You have to stay far away already. Because you only have this kind of listing. Right? If you start, everyone start to go and start to buy, if you don't have a second house, if you don't have two houses, you start to go and buy, imagine what will these guys do? They will knock your head, right? And then say, wow, you make money, right? I will ask you more. You want to pay, you pay 1.3 for to me, you just make so much money, I tell you, sir, 1,500 PSF. You don't shake your head, you shake your head more already. Shake your head, cannot, sir. Okay, you cannot shake your head. You have to be fast. Right? So that is what's happening in the marketplace. You don't agree, also no use, because the sentiment is like that. Right? That is how tight it is. And is there real vacancy? Yeah, there's still a lot of vacancy, but people are not selling. You know, and then the vacancy is still there. It's not renting out. The rental is still low, right? But the price is going up. Why? I also don't understand, but it is. Right? Some of these reasons are based on block. 200 plus unit fighting for 100 plus listing. And this nearby one, you can go further away. You go Sengkang, Punggol, whatever, sure have. Or maybe also don't have, I don't know. What do you think will happen to prices? And this now, imagine 18 months from now. Market crash, wow, happy, right? We don't know, could be crash, could be go even higher. 2 quarters, we are seeing the beginning of the recovery. Only 2 quarters, we already recovered 4.7, 4.8%. Whereas 5 years, we dropped 11%. 2 quarters, we recover 4 point something percent already. You want to bet, take next quarter, I bet at least more than 2%. Who want to bet with me? $200 per bet. Okay? I'll take. Put $200 here, we put. I also put $200. I bet by July, the URA press release out the index. Surely above 2% increase. I can bet you. And that's 1 quarter only. But who are you competing against? You're not just one unit land. You're not one condo land. These are the units undergoing en bloc. Okay? Your eyes, you rub first, then you see. Rub your eyes, get ready. Get ready? Yeah. This is across Singapore, not just in your region. So don't scare, not everywhere is your region. Tell me when to start. Hey, you want? Sorry, I will capture. Come, let me capture. Okay. I want to take picture. Come. Come. Oh, just kidding. Don't look at the price, look at the unit inside. The units are the one that are going to compete with you, not the price.
Bob?
Yes, sir.
Do you have those that right now on this whole block? Did you, how does it categorize between freehold and leasehold?
No
Because
category.
I think
No categorized.
some of this pricing, I think if you're talking about comparatively.
No, we are not talking about pricing now. We are talking about what is going on block. We don't care pricing. Now we are talking about who is competing. If they sell already, who will buy, who will compete about to replace the unit.
Okay, then my next question would be, what are the percentage of those having freehold on block versus those on leasehold on block? And those leasehold, we didn't have the data, but those on leasehold, normally how many years are they? How old are they? Because in freehold there is no time frame. we have to put aside because there is no comparison between the freehold and the leasehold. So if you can enlighten us,
Is this
I
freehold or
think all
leasehold?
of us here would be more, more than happy.
Okay. So what is your question is you want to know how many of those Enbloc that freehold, is it?
Based on your professional service.
I'm not professional in
No,
Enbloc.
okay, based on your
I'm doing rules at housing
your
only.
service or your knowledge, okay? Those that are en bloc or already en bloc, okay, I'm talking about leasehold. Putting aside free.
I think Henry,
So
sorry.
what are
Henry, no, you are distracted.
I'm not getting.
No, wait, hang on. He is focusing on the number of units that are going out. There's nothing to do with the pricing, nothing to do with the...
Oh, okay.
You are talking about replacement home. Henry, please.
No, that's what I'm saying. I'm not trying to argue.
We are already past 9 o'clock.
I
Alright?
just want to know, I mean, like,
Okay, I got a question. I'll answer you later, okay?
Okay.
Can I? No problem, I'll answer you. I'll leave copy with you, okay? But you buy. Okay? Faber Park condominium, West Coast, right? United Mansion, Dairy Farm. Okay? Dairy Farm also want to Enbloc, right? Euro-Asia, Woodland, Mandarin Garden, Sim Square, Inbo Parkview, Max, Guillemard, ICB, Jensen Mansion, 6th Avenue Center. I think this one already sold, but the data show that it's still unsold. Kovan, right? Right? And your fellow good friend, neighbor, only what, 2 listing or 3 listing? Going for Enbloc also? You're trying, whether pass or not, I don't know. So, you can imagine all the displacement and cannot find units. Right? If you want to find units, I tell you, you need to buy now. Okay? Can you buy now before you Enbloc? How many will buy now before Enbloc? You will buy, sir, you want to buy now before Enbloc?
No money.
Huh?
No money.
Got lah, later don't tell me you take out from the shoe. Okay.
You want to pay second unit, the second, buy the second unit,
Yeah.
pay the stamp duty.
Yeah. So people with outstanding home loan, you can only borrow 50% loan to value. Okay? Okay, I'm just saying 1,002 is very, very cheap already. Because right now, a lot of Enbloc are asking 1,004, 1,005 PSF. Like based on 1,000 already must be 1,007. If like 1,005, how much you have to sell? 2,002, 2,003 to break even. Right? If you sell now, please make sure you ask the developer give you money now. Don't wait until finish then give you. Then later cannot, then you refund them money better. Okay? Because otherwise, later you come and buy, nothing to buy already. Everything 2,000 plus PSF already, I tell you. No kidding one. 6th Avenue, the station there going for 1,500 PSF already. Then all this around area also going for about 1,000, 4,005 PSF. And that's just the land that I haven't built. You think developer will build already will still sell you 1,007? No way. 2,2, 3, 2, 4 already. That time your unit house more, I don't know, I tell you. But never mind. Because more 亲切 right? Can see each other more often. Okay, so if you have to pay 50% loan to value, how many people have 600,000 cash? I definitely don't have. A millionaire, air. I got millionaire. Every day I brief in a lot of millionaire, right?